Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Best foods for nerve pain. If you're living with nerve pain, there is a definite benefit to eating healthy, low-inflammatory foods. A plant-based diet offers abundant opportunities for healthier nerves and less pain. During National Nutrition Month and beyond, eat more of these 6 plant-based foods that are great for your health and help reduce nerve pain. Here are 6 great plant-based foods to fight nerve pain. Number 1. Avocado. This unique fruit is full of healthy fats. Like quinoa, it has a healthy dose of potassium, which promotes effective nerve conduction. Avocados also help increase your body's absorption of antioxidants. Number 2. Quinoa. Although it's commonly considered to be a grain, quinoa is actually a flowering plant that produces edible seeds. Quinoa is a great source of potassium, which aids effective conduction of messages through nerves. It's an excellent source of magnesium, phosphorus, manganese and folate. This superfood also contains protein, fiber, iron, copper and vitamin B6. Number 3. Sweet potato. This root vegetable offers several nerve health benefits. An abundance of vitamins A and C, which provides antioxidant protection for cells. Sweet potatoes also have natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Animal research has demonstrated that nerve and brain tissue has shown reduced inflammation after eating purple sweet potato extract. Number 4. Green and leafy vegetables. Broccoli, spinach and asparagus all contain vitamin B, a nutrient important for nerve regeneration and nerve function. Spinach, broccoli and kale also contain a micronutrient called alpha-lipoic acid that prevents nerve damage and improves nerve function. Number 5. Fruits. Eat at least 1 fruit daily to help heal damaged nerves. Berries, peaches, cherries, red grapes, oranges and watermelon, among others, are loaded with antioxidants, which help to decrease inflammation and reduce nerve damage. Grapes, blueberries and cranberries have been found to be full of a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called resveratrol. Number 6. Zucchini. A type of summer squash, zucchini is actually a fruit. Like other fruits, it's rich in antioxidants and, therefore, good for nerve cells. It's also a good source of potassium, which promotes effective nerve transmission, and magnesium, which calms excited nerves. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.